cellular connection works well for phone calls, email, Siri and messages. Music now syncs more easily. Improvements in fitness tracking and added watch faces. Adds barometer to GPS and swim proofing. Same overall size as last year's watch. The Apple Watch communicates to the outside world in 3 steps. It looks for your iPhone first, pairing via a Bluetooth connection if it's nearby. If not, it tries Wi-Fi. New networks can't be added on the Apple Watch directly, but it syncs and knows networks that your iPhone does. If neither of those options are available, say, if you're out hiking, the watch then enables LTE cellular, which is otherwise switched off to conserve power. That auto-switching between Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and cellular is managed by Apple's new W2 wireless chip. It saves some battery life, but it takes getting used to. In my tests, a red X appeared sometimes on top of the watch screen to suggest disconnecting from Wi-Fi, but vanished once LTE had kicked in. And new Apple Watch watch face, Explorer, showed signal strength as from 1 to 4 green dots. Otherwise, signal strength pops up in the swipe-up control center where Bluetooth, airplane mode and other quick settings live. Apple Watches could always store music, but they were bad at it. Syncing music from a cloud-based Apple Music account was always a time-consuming ordeal. Most other smartwatches are the same. watchOS 4 now syncs music more automatically, and it's a huge difference. The first time I used the watch, after an overnight charge I found a few playlists and albums waiting for me when I went walking. Others can be added and synced when the watch is charging.